This Math in Minute video is on factoring special square polynomials. The formula for difference of square is a squared minus b squared equals a minus b times a plus b. So let's say we have the equation 9 minus x squared. We need to determine what our a value is and our b value. We can rewrite 9 as 3 squared and leave x squared as x squared since that's already a perfect square. So our a equals 3 and our b equals x. So now we can substitute our values into the difference of square equation. So it would be a, which is 3, minus our b, which is x, times our a, which is 3 again, plus our b, which is x. So here you would have the example of difference of squares when factoring a polynomial. So first I want to distinguish between the perfect square subtraction trinomial and difference of squares. So here with the perfect square trinomial, you can see that the square is on the outside of the parenthesis here. On difference of squares, each term is squared. So here you can see a is squared and b is squared. So just know that these two are not the same thing. Perfect square trinomial for subtraction formula is a minus b squared equals a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. You'll get the same result as if you were to FOIL a minus b times a minus b. But here the formula, you just plug in the values for a and b and you'll get the same answer. So let's look at the equation 2x minus 3 squared. So if we determine what our a is, that would be the first term, which was 2x, and our second term would be 3. So if we substitute those values in, so a squared, we would square 2x squared minus 2 times our a is 2x again, times our b, which is 3, plus b squared, which would make that 3 squared. So if we solve that, we would get 4x squared minus 2 times 2 is 4 times 3 is 12, and then we keep our x, and then 3 squared is 9. So this would be our answer. And let's just try and FOIL it also to make sure we get the same thing. So here I've written 2x minus 3 times 2x minus 3. So FOIL, we're going to do the first, which gives us 2x times 2x, which is the same thing as 4x squared. Our outer would be 2x times negative 3, which gives us negative 6x. Our inner, negative 3 times 2x, also gives us negative 6x. And then last would be negative 3 times negative 3, which is 9. So if we add our like terms, we would get negative 12x plus 9. So we do get the same answer. So here is the formula for a perfect square trinomial for addition. A plus b squared is equal to a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. So let's look at the example x plus 4 squared. Our a in this case is x, and our b is 4. So let's just substitute our values. So we have x squared plus 2 times our x, which is a, and 4, which is b, plus 4 squared. So if we simplify that, we would have x squared plus 2 times 4 is 8, and we keep our x, and 4 squared is 16. So again, let's try and FOIL it. I have x plus 4 times x plus 4. So our first would be x times x, which would be x squared. And our outer, the O in FOIL, would be x times 4, which is 4x. Our inner is 4 times x, which is 4x. And our last is 4 times 4, which is 16. So if we do our like terms again, we would get x squared plus 8x plus 16. So that is the same. Any math topics you would like me to cover, please leave in the comments below. Please subscribe, like, and hit the notification button and share. And I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.